It's Adam. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make rice. So first, first the onions are frying, and there they are. It's like that. Yep. So that's it, and I'll come back to you guys. All right. And after that, the onions is frying. Put garlic in the pan, and the garlic is over there. Garlic is frying. And after that, then mix and mix. And put garlic. Then after you put chicken in it, then let that fry. Another one. Wow. So now you look at the chicken frying. It's frying like crazy. Then you put chia seeds. You put some of that cumin. Then with that. Cook and cook. Then after that, you put pepper, black pepper in it. Then you put tomatoes and jalapeno. Then with that mix. Alright, this is a Jalapeno chickpeas. And then add chickpeas in it. And let that mix. Then salt. Let it cook. Then put rice. Then let that cook too. Hot water then it will cool down. Okay. After how long the rice is pulling down. So let it cook. Add cinnamon. Star. Okay. Bay leaf. Yeah. Alright, so there we go. Bay leaf. Open cook. Okay, sorry guys. Alright. The rice is evaporating. You look at these colors. Yeah. And yeah, so yeah. Alright, so after when it's done, this is how the rice looks like. One chicken pork rice. So that's it. After covering it, the rice looks like that. So that's it. And that's how to make the rice. And also that's what the rice looks like after that. And that's the final part. Okay, so that's how to make chicken pot rice. So if you like the video, please subscribe and have a good night. Bye.